What's up, guys? I'm chilling in my hotel room. I'm pretty tired. This has been a pretty arduous trip. I want to explain what's going on in this video real quick before you watch it. So it is a hard park competition where you're supposed to come in and rip e-brake into that like parking space built out of tires. And there's a bunch of celebrity drivers there, or professional drivers. There's Brandon Wicknick and Fielding Schrader and Adam LZ competing, Aaron Losey. I got the chance to drive the car. I obviously didn't do as good as them, but that's what's going on in there. Enjoy the videos. Alright guys, that's Wicknick in the ECU Masters car.
Oh, you better stop that. I feel like he...
Alright, that was Kendra. That's Clayton from Fine Art, trading the car with Kendra.
Oh! One more try.
Alright, that's Harrison. That's my car. So I just went to that's Zach and Cole. I mean, that's Adam and Colette. And he's being her car seat, her booster seat, because she's too small. Her eyes couldn't see out the window. Never seen that.
Alright, move back, everybody. Everybody move back. Move back. I'm afraid that...
There's my friend Val. He also likes going by Great Jesus.
I just don't know. You can totally watch. I just...
This is Adam LZ in the final round.
Straight punted it. Trying to make it speed. I pull it forward. I went like get down around. I have no time. Get out of here.
Who's in the car right now? Alright, that's Aaron getting in the car.
Watch out, Trevor.
It's Trevor getting out of the car. And that's a tire popping. Alrighty, so those tires were really burnt when everybody started, and it was really exciting at the end. Aaron actually popped that tire, and that was the end of our hard park challenge, was not stopping till the car was done. Please feel free to like and subscribe. I'm going to keep posting up more Drift Week and more other drifting stuff and motorsport stuff as I'm going.